Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ngam Shong ban chu Shong tang hapo Secretariat. Bat ngam Shong tang ban chu Kren bat ki Ophisar. Henry ka bang kham Shong kalong bangan let hi dala ka jong kamet ban let pel let jongo yaki jaka rep jong kinong rep. Ya kani la Kren de uba bantai dorleng do Myntri ka tanat kam rep kam riang ka sorkar jela. Haba Kren ko bukang san henet kasngi hakajinga lang ID ya ka thatlas ken turmeric processing unit Shaka West Janta Hills Farmer Producer Company Limited. Ulayat ho baka Thatlasken Processing Unit, kabadan Thatlasken Horti Hub, West Janta Hills. Lastang yaka house name Arhajar Khatlai, Arhajar Khatsang. Hapo ka scheme Rashtriya Krishi Bima Yojana, haka jinglot ka bahanyoksan laktingka. Lengba ka Meghalaya State Agricultural Marketing Board, halor ka thong ban kintiyo, yaka kamrap shenrai lakadong. Nakabanta banyo jeng mentoy kinong rep shenrai jong ka district lengba ka jeng senapan wandor ya uni umar ba kinong rep kipenmi ulay thu ba house name arajar khatra ka sorkar kalashim ya karai ban IT ya kani ke unit haki reu shimet bakin penya ya ka ula ongru ka jeng sedang ya commission lakadong house name arajar khatra kamdei e tang ban kentiu ni penhe ya ka kam rep shenrai naka arhajar sanspa nyo hektar Shakalai hajar nrius pak sanpu ar hektar. Naka jengmi kabakhan nriu hajar metrik ton, shaka arhu ar hajar lais pak nriu pukran metrik ton. Henry ban pendapan biang yaka jeng dawa jong usin rai lakadong, habarok kari bat syabari ru kumjo. Ulayat hu ru baka jela kalak ban syalan, ya usin rai. Om tang hapok kari, Henry wat syabari ru. Kum syari UK, bat ri Netherlands. Bat ukermen skem nang baka jeng sedang yaka unit. Kandai ka jing kerku yaki nongrem. Hadian ka jing lang Myntri ula IT ushabi hauba chan bor rembai. Ubalong CEO ka West Janta Hills Farmer Producer Company Limited. Kum kadak ka jing sedang pentri kamno ya kate ka jaka terlihat chenrai.
The story goes back to 2018 when we first thought that we have a great product here. But for some reasons, we have not been able to make any big breakthroughs in this particular product. So we launched the Lakadong mission in 2018, April. And since then, in the last 3 years, we have covered a lot of ground. We have added 1,075 hectares. And we have increased the production. Now, total production of turmeric in our state is about 14,000 metric tons. Of Lakadong, I'm talking about Lakadong. And out of 14,000 metric tons, 6,075 metric tons, more than 6,000 metric tons have been added only in the last 3 years. Now that additional production that has come is what is leading us to this day. Because so many farmers have gotten involved in that. And because of their involvement, the production has shot up. And because of the production shooting up, we have also had to make efforts to create a brand for it. More the brand, more is the demand, more the demand, more is the production. And this is a positive cycle which has been created in Lakadong mission. By launching this mission, these are the results that have happened. And now more and more farmers are joining because the uniqueness of the land, the uniqueness of the weather, the climatic conditions of the land of this particular area, and the hard-working farmers of the region. All of these have come together and created, essentially catalyzed by the Lakadong mission. But the energies were always there and they always wanted to perform. We only needed to give them a platform.
So when I play a PT nongrap borok wa ini kani ka to singi ka wan pensa di kun mo lang ni borok play shibun ni pi to ka jing kre chitong jong pi uso wala wan pen man ni kani ka singi kami nakaliang ka jonga ngakwa banong bakani ka jing sedang ni kani ka thatas kay turmeric processing unit nang ni kadai ka bala mang bisa da ka kata gaski mengi ongka RKBY nadu arajar khalai kasa but ya kani ka jingtrai ngong ipi ngilala ban pendap haswa usnam arajar khat nyo but handrai kejing bomla ban penteri kam kidon kidah kat tukang ni handrai ngasu komen sikadai bahu arajar khat pra ringkat dah kejing trailang but the department but the farmer commission mengisi mega decision ban IT no sha ki riu shime ki briu ki jongi ki nongrat ki jongi ban penya ya kene processing unit hang ni hapo talas kan but ka ba kongsan ne kadai ka jing launch jongi ya commission lakdam au arja kapra ka ba ngisu thu bangin la ban increase ya ka jingrap slash jingrap turmeric jingrap shenra naka arspa arajar sanspa nyok nyok hektar syakal lai hajar ndriuspa sanpoar hektar bat kaban penmi slash ban penmi turmeric naka khat ndriu hajar metric ton syaka arpuar hajar metric ton laispa ndrupra nasno ba kani kadai gawai ka ba laai ben sim shishay ni kung kinongra but nga next kam ba ka jingla ban pelong ban proses ng tab pelong powder kandai shisha ke jingmen toy kini kung kinongra ko jelai ko koi but nga ken mauru ba ngilala ban shalan ban export ya uni powder jong ni ong turmeric powder siapo bar jong kani kari we jong wat bar India na try pikan mau ya tu ka sengi kan long ka sengi sisa ka ban pesat jikan mau ngilala ban ha siapo UK but sya Netherlands but the next kam lingba kani ka jing sedang ka jong ni mentaka sing yang sasisi kandai kajing kerman nakabenta kinong rap jong ihi apo kecela hoy manakani ka sengi ka bangi pelong ya kani ka farmers day ngidang ya Kren shibun ki wedai bat kinong rap ki jong but kadon ka second session kaba kadon ka interaction bat ki officer but nakwa banong ipi ni bakum minister bopek ya karap kering ngong ngam suhun ban Shong tang hapo Secretariat ngam suhun ban Kren tang bat ki Ophisar handrai ka bangakwa ay nga kalong bangan let hi lala ka jong kamet ban lipet ki chakarat jong ginong rap ki jong siapo ka chakarat kata ka dai ka bangai Kren bat kinong rap bat ki Ophisar ko jong na ko po habang idon hakam ki meeting ki boper hapo directorate kabangang amdon kampangan lay hapo directorate jong ka agriculture ki Ophisar ki hapon Secretariat andray nga nakapor nga lay siya tayo siya directorate office jong bani Shong bat ki Ophisar ban khot kinong rep namar mga ong baga directorate kaday ka Secretariat jong kinong rep ki jong Today na takata wani tu ipi pengikwa adu kata bani penjan ya kata kejing jan bani trikam apreng ki Ophisar bat kinong rap ki jong nga kum minister bani jan bat kinong rap bani jan bat ki Ophisar bani trikam nga so komen si katay ngani tu ipi bangidon kani ka team ka understanding team ka bahado kata tangan itu
anything to be learned should be from the field. First go to the field, spend time with the farmers, talk to them, observe them. This is what I did last almost 2 years, sir. This is my second visit. I was under shock when I was visiting first time because the government has invested nearly 75 lakh both for the civil structure and the equipment, and there is nobody to utilize, put them to use. It's a very strange situation. And I'm very happy that now the farmers, the producer company is now taking up this assignment. Sir, in our state, I have realized private individuals are not in a position to create infrastructure. Certainly the government is duty bound to create infrastructure like this because government has resources. But government should not do the business. Government should not be into business. Once the infrastructure is created, sir, it shall be handed over to the local youth. Because the youth are educated, having the entrepreneurial spirit. What they want is the opportunity to prove their entrepreneurial spirit, sir. This is a wonderful initiative. I'm very happy, and I wish you, the Farmers Produce Company, all the very best. Now the responsibility is yours.
Ngam CEO yung Secretariat, Farmers Produce Company, ronda jingkmen na yung igisni active sarkar i yakani processing unit kamar yu bigidin chin. Bon i janong rep berkat ke yede go yung ai bidu uchun chite. Yau chumit yung binong rep yung i untuk dong itu member WMI, untuk dong itu binong rep ko associate wi. Dari orang binong rep yung district yung i, ko ai district cebar le ye wan chini i diang bai atau ani processing unit untuk yung chimet yung i dari ke yung i kinong rep pa au ani ke kubor cha ki perlok perjor kamtam kinong rebi wa tik klinis kmat to i de MDE yung i ke processing unit untuk de yete ya tung churmit untuk de ya ongi bom employau har mistan kobi kanoda jingkmen ke sarkar de awan ke kmat mirabi i ke yau kahat ya ke transportation wan ra ai churmit yung ki ne ke chnong ne tha yung ki so i will dab je jingkmen wa em ki perlok yung i ne ki media wa yarabi i pun ai ni kubor chepi kinong rem blai chipun ya piuro ai wa ni ke kam ko chimim tu kusni man ko kam ko wa i kemen ni adu kate na da kam tu roi ni ke thain ke baw i wa kinong rem i kam tam me i na kalian company ongi pi kinong rem one i phone number yung i do ai le number yung i chepi yung phone be kemen ni ke dor ko yo instant ko ni rang na chu wa boy palat ya ko chim yong bi yong khai yong ni ani ko ri ko pi kin re sa men bi kate to ko u yi bu yi bi instant ko wi jadi jing kra lang bi ta poi por wa bi bu ko ko kam he chu wa i woro kemen ni re yo churmen ta la da mi won ko kwa fli dor pam so mi cha ba ya pon chi no pa yo number chi nang lang ba ko dia yo ya pon chi de kli chi kador ko bhai ni ko de bi im kam kinong le blai chi ko